Hello traders, this is Shivendra. Welcome to Profit Snaps. Hope you guys already watched channeling technique to target wave 5. In this video we're going to learn another way to identify the end of a 5-wave sequence, is to look for divergence between waves 3 and 5. We do that by using Bill Williams' Awesome Oscillator. The Awesome Oscillator is a momentum indicator that takes a 5-bar and 3-4-bar simple moving average, plotted in a histogram of 100 bars and a maximum of 140 bars on the screen. This indicator is always measuring an Elliott wave of some degree. There are 4 primary uses for Awesome Oscillator: identifying the peak of wave 3, determining the end of wave 4, or when its minimum requirements have been met, looking for the end of a trend and the top of wave 5, signaling immediately the direction of the current momentum, or which side of the market the trader wishes to trade. Although we will not dive into all the aspects of wave analysis in this video, but I want to provide an overview of how the AO works together with wave analysis. For wave 1, the AO bars are showing the first push away from the zero line, often into the opposite direction of the previous swing. For wave 2, a shallow retracement back to the zero line occurs, but the Awesome Oscillator do not go much into the opposite direction. For wave 3, strong Awesome Oscillator bars push away from the zero line. Keep in mind that the wave 3 might become extended, and then you might see several strong pushes away from the zero line. Some of these pushes could all be part of a larger wave 3. For wave 4, eventually the strong wave 3 will finish and a larger retracement will take place back to the zero line, which could easily occur on a higher time frame as well because waves 4 are often lengthy. Wave 5, the last push in the trend. The Awesome Oscillator bars move away from the zero line but not as much as the wave 3, which creates divergence because price does often make a higher high but the Awesome Oscillator does not. For example, check out this Bitcoin 5-minute chart. For waves 1 and 2, Awesome Oscillator bars indicates the low momentum change in opposite direction. For wave 3, strong AO bars push away from the zero line. Oscillation of AO bars that crossing zero line up and down with low momentum indicates that price is in lateral correction, which is wave 4, plus the last move of the trend, which is wave 5. Price makes higher highs, but AO bars fails to make it. Divergence between wave 3 and 5 indicates the end of the trend. Confirm this you can also cross-check with channeling technique to target wave 5, as explained in previous video. Once the signal line of Awesome Oscillator crosses the zero line, we can go to short. Sounds complicated? It isn't really. It just takes practice. This whole 8-wave sequence leads to 0.707 Gartley pattern, which is one of the most important pattern among harmonic patterns. We'll discuss those patterns in upcoming sessions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us a like to show your support. Subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to stay notified when we upload new videos.